Welcome to eBlissTechnologies. In this short video, we will know or we will understand what deep learning is in the simplest way possible. What is deep learning? Okay, so deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses algorithms inspired by the human brains, how the human brain works, the term called as artificial neural networks. It helps the machines learn from large amounts of data, especially unstructured data like images, videos, text, and so on. If you have already heard of AI and ML, as we have seen in the last video, this deep learning powers many modern applications like virtual assistants, chatbots, voice recognition, facial recognition, self-driving cars, and so on. We actually need to say this neural networks, this is the brain of the deep learning. Okay, this neural networks is made up of layers, namely the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. Each layer consists of nodes and neurons and process data and pass it forward. Is that clear? The more the hidden layers, the deeper the network. And that is why this term is known as deep learning. Is that clear? I hope now you have a basic idea of what deep learning is. In upcoming videos, we will explore how this deep learning works using some codes and how you can learn it. And that is all for this video. The next we'll see in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to eBlissTechnologies channel for more short and powerful tech videos. Thank you so much again.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.